Hi there and welcome back. We go on with the first book of Nature by Nicola Davis and illustrated by Mark Herald. Today we're gonna be reading about summer. Lazy summer, warm and sweet, long, long days full of bees and flowers. Time to dip your toes in the sea or watch the breeze moving through the grass. Time to pick a ripe tomato right off the plant and pop it in your mouth. Time to look at the sky and dream. Summer song. In the city park at sunrise a little brown bird sings. Toodaloo, 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 pooch, 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 wee! His song says, "This tree is mine." At midnight in the hot dry grass a cricket rubs a leg along his wing. Cree, 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 cree. His song says, "Come and be my mate." In the pond at midnight the frogs throat poof up to call. Rop, rop, rop. And his song says, "I'm the biggest." Everywhere you go, just listen. Someone's always singing. Flowers. Without the sun, the flowers call out. They shout to insects with their colors yellow and red, orange, blue and pink and white. Come here, come here. Just here is where you'll find the nectar. Honey, bzzz. It's coming from the beehive. It sounds like sweetness and a sleepy, sleepy summer. The bees bring nectar from the flower for miles around, and in the hive they make it into honey. Bzzz, the sound of sweetness and the smell of flowers, of sunny sleepy summer, the sound of honey. Baby birds are born, milking, caterpillar turns into butterflies, lizard, quick as a blink. What was it? Fast as thinking. There, then not there, quick as a blink. Quick as a blink, eyes glinting, tail whipping, tongue flicking. It's a lizard, quick as a blink. Moth. Puff, puff, something buttering in the light bulb, fluttering and fussing. It has wings just like butterflies, but when it rests, it folds them flat across its back. It's a moth. It flies at night and steers by the moon's glow. It got muddled by the lamplight, so it flew indoor. Switch off the light and leave the window open. It will fly off safe into the dark. And last, growing. The balcony is a jungle full of plants, growing food for all the neighbors. Basil to go on Mr. Scarlatti's pizza, coriander for Mrs. Side's curries, mint for Mom's tea when she gets home from work, lettuce for Dad's sandwiches, and tomatoes for everyone. See you next time with autumn. Bye bye, boys and girls. See you next time.